There is drone responsibility if you're going to fly a drone. The new American pastime is a drone in every home. But the Federal Aviation Administration predicts annual sales of recreational drones will reach 4.3 million by 2020. But as the skies darken with fleets of Phantoms and Typhoons, the ERs are filling up. It's a reminder that while tech becomes smarter, humans do not. So take it from the pros. There's a right way to drone and a wrong way. Try before you fly. Be sure to get a drone that comes with a simulator app for viral test runs, or invest in Drone Sim Pro or Real Flight software. The reason why is that a New York science teacher was actually arrested for his drone crashing into empty seats at the 2015 US Open. And cover up. As with iPhone cases, you buy drone accessories separately. Propeller guards are a must for protecting your fingers from inevitable blade run-ins. The reason why? A man named Trevor Bauer, a Cleveland Indians pitcher, sliced his pinky finger while repairing propellers on his racing drone. He cut his pinky finger so bad that he had to get stitches just before the World Series. And get insured. Yep, get insured. One early player in the drone insurance industry is called Verify. It's an app that sells on-demand protection for $10 an hour. The policy covers up to $2.5 million in damages in a specified flight area, including unintentional flyaways. The reason why is that a woman sued a USC fraternity in 2015 when a drone allegedly nosedived into her head. Ouch! And install a co-pilot. AirMap helps you plan a safe route before takeoff, while Precision Hawk's Lattice onboard system alerts you when obstacles are nearby. Why? A hobbyist was arrested after flying his drone 20 feet below an approaching airliner at JFK. And register as soon as possible. $5 at FAA website. Done. The reason why is because failure to register a recreational UAV can result in fines up to $27,500. That's a lot of money for a fine. And respect thy neighbor. Despite fuzzy guidelines, experts agree that people have a responsibility and a reasonable expectation of privacy in the airspace around their home. The reason why is that in 2015, a Kentucky Flyers drone was shot down by an angry neighbor. The judge ruled in the shooter's favor. And keep your distance. When snapping photos of a crowd, fly at least 20 feet up and use a camera with a good zoom. And here's why. A groom's picture-taking drone crashed into revelers at his New Hampshire wedding. Flying a drone comes with big responsibility, and there are actions you need to take to protect yourself and others. Know the rules, be safe, and happy droning. Well, like, subscribe, think for yourself. This is a Marologic channel.